So you want to make Bosnian pita. Well, it just so happens I was lucky enough to have 3 folks from Bosnia and Herzegovina in my house one time explaining exactly how to make it and doing a demonstration. So here's what I will share with you. You start by making the dough with the flour and the salt, after which you add your oil and water, and then you mix the dough. Now you might be wondering, how do you know when the dough is thoroughly mixed? And I asked that, and what they told me was that you will know when the dough does not stick to your fingers anymore. That's how you know that the dough is mixed enough. So this is clearly not mixed yet, but this definitely getting there. Now, when it comes to what this is called, we specifically here, we're making Burek pita. Now, the number one way to get in a fight in Bosnia, I have found, is not just to call it Bosnia when you're in maybe like Mostar or something. It's also to call a similar dish, which is called sirnića, Burek with cheese, because that will just piss people clean off. But next we split the dough and we start to make it into a circle shape, and that's going to become important here soon. If you're wondering why that pisses people clean off, that's because both, I think, are pita, types of pita that is, which I think just means pie. But Burek, which we are making, is specifically a meat pie, whereas sirnica is cheese pie. Sird is cheese. So I don't know what would happen if you call it pita with cheese over there, but that's my understanding of what it is, so I hope that's right. That incredible dough stretching process there took quite a bit longer. Also, I sped it up for the video, but after that you're going to add your meat filling, and then this is where the ingenious, doing this on a sheet becomes manifest, because that makes it much easier to roll the dough into the long kind of cylinders that you want them to be in when it's done. And this part does take a while too, so I sped it up also. And then you can do like a number of different things. I really like it when they spiral it like into a pie, like I'll show you here soon. But we just cut this up and put it into these long little sticks here, and then poured the sunflower on, the sunflower oil that is, onto the pita, or the burek. Pop it in the oven. And then, pretty soon after that, you're going to have some really delicious burek, and you're going to want to enjoy that with your friends, of course. Butter the top of it, of course, before you serve it. Let it rest for a minute, 10 minutes actually, and enjoy with friends. Now, this is some burek out in the wild in Beja. This is sirnica, and this is cevapcici, which is like the national dish. But this is like my favorite way to have burek. Well, that and with a Sarajevsko pivo. And of course, rakia is good anytime. Živjeli.